Hi, I'm Tinker Durrani. I am the CEO of Universal Flexible Packaging Limited. The company started in August 1995 and in 2020 sees us operating for 25 years. Our unique selling point here is that we are a one-stop shop. As a business platform, we work with our brand owners and manufacturers to provide a full service, all the way from design, flexible packaging supply chain, corrugated supply chain, packaging, processing, and shipping out goods to final retail outlets.
So here at UFP, we can pack a variety of different pack styles, and we've got over 20 production lines. We have a mix of automated packing and manual packing, so we can do seasonal work, such as advent calendars, or everyday work, such as packs of sweets, packs of nuts. We currently pack for over 80 clients, and we have in excess of 1,000 SKUs going through our factory. Our journey into contract manufacturing has just begun. We now make popcorn, and who knows what will come next.
Technical looks to support the business by ensuring clients have the right level of due diligence as they go through our site. We make sure that the right paperwork is filled out, we ensure that audits are completed, we ensure that hygiene is accurate and done in full, and also that the process MPD element part of our business fully reflects the requirements of the clients.
Once a project has been signed off, it gets handed over to me and the operations team, and it's our job to execute that and deliver.
As brand owners, we encourage you to go out and do what you do best. We manage all of the operational needs, allowing you, the brand owner, to manage and develop the brand. We are your factory door.